Today I will discuss this topic with you. Generally, I have seen that what happened, most of the students have doubt these values, what is 1 by 0, what is 0 by 1, what is 0 by 0. So I will explain this topic to you, what happened if we have to calculate 1 by 0, what is 0 by 1 and what is 0 by 0. So let us start with the first example, 1 by 0. What happened with this? So let us take this value as x. Let us assume that this value be x. So if we take this 0 to that side, what happened? We have 0 into x. Now we have to find out the values of x which satisfy this equation. So we observe that if we put any value of x, there is no value of x, we can say that, which makes this value equal. For example, if I put x equal to 1, then we have 1 equal to 0. If we put x equal to 2, we have 1 equal to 0 again. So that means there is no value of x, there is no value of x which makes this equation equal. There is no value of x which makes this equation balanced or equal. So we can say that 1 by 0 have no value of x, so we can say that this is no solution. So it's quite simple. Okay, we can say that 1 by 0 is no solution. So what happened? We have 0 by 1. Again the same approach. Let us take this as x. If we take this one to that side, what happened? This is 0, 1 into x. So we can say that x equal to 0. So this equation has only one solution, that is x equal to 0. So now we can say that 0 by 1 is always 0, or 0 by any non-zero number is always 0. Now what happened if we have 0 by 0? Again same approach. Let us take this as x. Now if we take this 0 to that side, we have 0 into x. Now we observe that there are infinite values of x which make this equation equal. For example, if I put x equal to 1, we have 0 into 1, that is 0. Equation balanced. Similarly, if we put x equal to 2, 0 equal to 0 into 2. Again, equation is balanced. Similarly, if we put any value of x here, right, any value of x 0.1, again this value is balanced. So we can say that 0 by 0 has infinite many solution, or we can say that 0 by 0 has no a fixed solution. So we can say that now, okay, 1 by 0 is always no solution, 0 by 1 is always 0, and 0 by 0 we can say that not defined or infinitely many solution. Infinite many solutions. So I hope you can now easily identify the values of these three and there is no confusion about this. Thanks.